इट वॉज नॉट कि बिजनेस में जाना, इट वॉज मोर ऑफ कि कुछ अपना क्रिएट करना है. कश्मीर में इसका ग्रोथ का पोटेंशियल था. रूह पोश, बेसिकली सोल ऑफ द फ्लावर, रूहे पोश.
ज्यादा कस्टमर्स कहाँ से आते हैं? यहाँ बाहर
बाहर
के?
बाहर.
That's lovely.
Yes.
When customers buy Ruposh, what piece of Kashmir are they taking home with them?
They are taking the essence of Kashmir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम लवली पीपल्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और खुश ही होंगे. आज हमारे साथ जो मौजूद हैं, she is somebody who had a curiosity about essential oils and now she has a Kashmir-based skincare brand. Now that's something different. We have with us today Madiha Talat of Ruposh. मदीहा जी कैसी हैं आप?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ.
वारे छुआ, असल पर छुआ, खुश पर छुआ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
अच्छा, मुझे बताएं आप, इससे पहले कि हम रूपोश के बारे में बात करें, सबसे पहले मैं आपके बारे में जानना चाहूँगी. आप कहाँ से हैं और आपने तालीम कहाँ से हासिल की?
मैं श्रीनगर बेस्ड हूँ एंड मैंने अपनी स्कूलिंग टिल माई 12th श्रीनगर से ही की है. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई pursued my further education from Delhi, जहाँ पे मैंने business and management पढ़ा. But after that I again returned to Kashmir, to my homeland, to do something different. And उसमें COVID के period में I thought कि थोड़ा more और पढ़ लेना चाहिए, तो I did my masters also from NIT Srinagar.
That's lovely. But business में ही क्यों जाना था?
Because it was not कि business में जाना, it was more of कि कुछ अपना create करना है, कुछ creation के मोड में जाना है.
वो हमेशा से था आप में? मुझे करना है कुछ अपना?
हमेशा से नहीं था, बट ओवर द टाइम आई थिंक मेरे जो इंटरेस्ट थे उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ इस तक लीड किया कि बिजनेस की तरफ लीड किया. अदरवाइज ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. नोबडी, किसी को नहीं पता होता कि हमें क्या करना है. बहुत टाइम तक आई वाज कंफ्यूज्ड कि मुझे क्या करना है. Sometimes I wanted to be an engineer, sometimes I wanted to be something else, a business.
Yeah, that happens.
Yes,
that happens.
yes,
That's so
yes,
true.
yes.
ये essential oils में इतनी curiosity क्यों आ गई आप में?
Essential oils में curiosity इसलिए आई because at that time COVID से पहले वाला टाइम था, that Instagram and all got popular, so I used to scroll, and while scrolling also मेरा हमेशा सा interest एक natural aesthetics की तरफ था. So I started reading some articles on this and essential oil, some like it clicked. The curiosity in me, yes. So that's how I got to know कि इसका इतना फायदा है. This was something which we hardly speak of or which we hardly know of in our society, but जिसके tremendous benefits हैं. And इतना नहीं लिमिटेड था, इट वॉज ऑल्सो कि हमारे कश्मीर में इसका ग्रोथ का पोटेंशियल था और बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल. यस, एसेंशियल ऑयल जिस प्लांट से निकलता है, उन प्लांट्स का यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है ग्रोथ का. तो बट दैट वाज अनटैप्ड. हाईली अनटैप्ड. इफ यू सी के बाकी जगहों पे देखे जहाँ पे ये पोटेंशियल हो, दे आर लेवरेजिंग ऑन इट, दे आर थ्राइविंग ऑन इट.
ये बात तो सही है.
तो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट ट्रिगर्ड माय इंटरेस्ट. मेरे अंदर वो क्यूरियोसिटी पैदा हो गई कि व्हाई इज इट नॉट बीइंग एक्सप्लोर्ड.
या दैट इज ट्रू. तब तो इतना नहीं था.
यस यस.
सो ये 2019 की बात है.
राइट. 2019 में व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय अंडरग्रेजुएट और आई हैड टू चूज अ लाइन नाउ. दैट वाज द हाई टाइम कि आई डिसाइड व्हिच पाथ आई वांटेड to go in. So तब मैं सोचने लग गई कि this is a very crucial decision of my life. So I have to think, and because I cannot be changing it later on. तो अभी मेरे को इस पे सोचना है, deeply think through करके एक path choose करना है. So that is when this clicked.
Okay, yes. That's lovely. So moving ahead to Ruposh. ठीक है, ये तो आपने बताया आप इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह देख रही थी, ठीक है, एंड उस वक्त ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा लोग कर पा रहे थे क्योंकि फुर्सत थी, क्योंकि कोविड भी हो गया, ठीक है. तो ये रूपोश कैसे बन गया?
रूपोश ऐसे बना इनिशियली, अगर मैं आपको रूपोश की बात करूं, दिस नेम आई हैव थॉट ओवर इट फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ मोर देन 1 year. Just
1
the name.
year?
Yes.
Just the name.
Just the name.
Okay.
Because I wanted it to be something different. I wanted it to be something meaningful. I wanted it to be something जो impact create करे.
जी.
And something जो मेरे business के directly उसके मतलब just the word explains what the business is. So Ruh Posh, basically soul of the flower, Ruhe Posh.
Soul of the flower.
Yes.
That's
so,
lovely.
Yes.
That's
because
lovely.
we are extracting the oils from the flowers, aromatic flowers. और basically वो जो process होता है अगर उसको आप deeply analyze करें तो kind of हम उनका soul निकाल रहे हैं रूह का, flowers का. So that is how the name
came into being.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this was the name thing, right?
Yes.
तो आपने कब ये सोचा कि जी नहीं मुझे इसको बिजनेस में कन्वर्ट करना है? Like आपने बोला आप पहले पढ़ रही थी इसके बारे में, जानने की कोशिश कर रही थी, right? Then how did you manage to have a product? You know, marketing कैसे की, development कैसे हुई उस product की, उस बारे में हमें बताएं.
इनिशियली 2019 में बात करें तो आई डिड नॉट नो कि मुझे रूह पोश बनाना है. आई वॉज जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग, आई वॉज जस्ट डूइंग द रिसर्च. मैं लोगों से बात कर रही थी, मैं इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स से बात कर रही थी, बाकी फार्मर्स से बात कर रही थी कि व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट, कि अगर हमारे पास पोटेंशियल है वो पोटेंशियल कहाँ तक हम यूटिलाइज कर पा रहे हैं. तो आई अपॉन डूइंग दिस रिसर्च आई रियलाइज्ड कि वी वर जस्ट limited to doing the extraction part abhi Kashmir mein. We were not doing the value addition for the oils that we can produce here. So that is when I realized कि अगर आप essential oil का just look at the essential oil, it is a low value product for a consumer because you cannot directly use it on your skin. आपको ultimately उसको maybe aloe vera or some other oil के साथ use करके you have to use on your skin. तो that is when I thought why not shorten the process instead of एक customer पहले lavender oil खरीदेगा, फिर वो almond oil खरीदेगा, then वो mix करेगा. Nobody has that much time.
नहीं, अब तो नहीं है.
हाँ. So I thought सबसे बेसिक प्रोडक्ट में ये एसेंशियल ऑयल यूज करते हैं एंड द बेस्ट एसेंशियल ऑयल फॉर दैट वाज लैवेंडर ऑयल.
Okay.
Yes. So we put lavender oil in the face wash. Then similarly for other products जैसे हमारी जो cream है that is anti wrinkle cream that we put walnut oil in it because walnut oil का omega कंटेंट बहुत हाई है एंड ओमेगा कंटेंट की वजह से इट गिव्स एंटी रिंकल प्रॉपर्टीज. सो दैट इज हाउ वी डेवलप प्रोडक्ट. एवरी सिंगल प्रोडक्ट हैज अ यूएसपी कि इट इज नॉट कि रैंडमली आपने किसी में भी लैवेंडर पुट कर दिया, किसी में भी रोजमेरी पुट कर लिया. सो दैट हैज टू बी थॉट थ्रू, दैट हैज टू बी फॉर्मुलेटेड.
तो ये एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन जो आपने की ये आपने कैसे की और कहाँ की?
इंटरेस्टिंगली ये इनिशियली मैंने आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग थ्रू various vlogs and everything, but it did not give me the complete knowledge. It gave me a fair enough idea कि how to go ahead with, but I had a lot of doubts. I had a lot of questions कि कौन सा preservative use करना है, कौन सा emulsifier use करना है, कौन सा चीज़ इसको smooth on skin feel कराएगा.
जी.
So all those things I had a lot of questions. Internet was not just enough for
that.
For the research I was doing. So I did a course in organic skincare formulations then.
Okay.
Yes.
So उसके बाद आपने इसमें कोर्स भी कर लिया?
Yes, right.
शाबाश.
Yes. That was essential because it is your skin. It
You
is
need
your
to know what you're
largest organ of your body, skin, and we just take it lightly. We think of so many, like we are concerned about our lungs, our liver and everything, but we hardly think of our skin as an organ, which is the largest organ in our body.
That is
so it is very important ki what is going on in our skin, through our skin, because it gets directly in our bloodstream. We have to be very cautious in using products.
क्या लगा रहे हो?
Yes.
Yes.
So that is why it needed a proper course. I need proper education in this because even a slight percentage का थोड़ा सा एक भी like if we talk about parabens is a no. Everybody says कि parabens, stay away from it. But to be honest, parabens are bad. They are endocrine disturbers. But if we use it in a particular limit, like there is a percentage जिसमें आप उसको use करें, so that then it doesn't become an endocrine disturber.
Okay.
So those percentages that is like 0.1%, something like that. So in this field we have to take care of minute percentages. So that is important.
And now that we have social media, so we have awareness as well, right?
Yes.
So every now and then we have these new products coming up, like ये product sulfate free है, ये product पैराबेन फ्री है, इसमें ये मिनरल्स नहीं है, इसमें ये कार्सिनोजेंस नहीं है, बिकॉज आए दिन हम यही देख रहे होते हैं, राइट? सो how do you keep up with that कि कहीं, well, because face wash is something you have to use every day, part of the routine, right? या for that matter sunscreens. So how do you keep up कि नहीं, इससे जो मैं प्रोडक्ट दे रही हूँ ये आगे जाके कोई खराबी ना कर दे?
So we don't keep up with it. We are going pre-planned. Right at the stage of development, before bringing the product in the market, हम उसका testing होता है before launching in the market. So that time only we have to take care of every single thing, that it does not disturb your skin pH.
Okay.
That it is safe on sensitive skin. Everything has to be thought of. So that is done before.
Trially.
Yes. So trials are done beforehand, before the product get launched in the market. Shelf life study होती है कि ये product हम कितने time पे तक use कर सकते हैं. How कितने लंबे time तक it is safe to use. So all that is done beforehand. Yes.
That is so true. So आपका पहला प्रोडक्ट कौन सा था?
My first product, there were 3 products, which I was making myself by my own hands.
Okay.
Yes, they were face wash, lavender face wash. Then there was a rose cream. I had put a rose essential oil in a face cream, and we had a serum. 3 products I started with.
Lavender, rose, and
lavender, rose, and again serum had a mixture of lavender and rose.
Oh, yes. A mixture, combined both.
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's lovely.
Yes, because these 3 were the essentials, I would say. Just sunscreen was not there, but otherwise these 3 are something that everybody would want to use. So I launched with the minimal, क्योंकि if I had to test the market, I could not go with a product which is not widely used.
Yeah, that is
तो
true.
मुझे एक widely used formulation try करना था. So I started with these 3.
These 3. And now how many products do you have?
Now we have 10 skincare, like face care range.
Okay.
And apart from that, we also sell blends of oils for body and hair.
That's lovely.
Yes.
And सबसे favorite product कौन सा है आपका?
My own, that's a very hard question.
अच्छा, आपका नहीं, सबसे ज़्यादा customers क्या prefer करते हैं?
A lot of people love face wash. Our sunscreen gets a very good response from the market. It is very good at keeping hyperpigmentation away. Yes. Okay. Then our rejuvenation cream is also most loved. A lot of products, like I feel. But face wash is something that sells a lot.
That is true.
That because face wash, I think it just sits in the sweet spot.
वो बात तो
yes, price range wise be, and everybody uses it, and I feel like it has given a very good result in a lot of cases. Like people with acne prone skin, with imbalanced skin, like किसी का patchy skin होता है, कहीं पे oily, कहीं पे dry. So those people, they gave me a very good response कि this face wash is something that we love the most.
That is lovely.
Yes.
मोहब्बत वही जो दिल से हो, इबादत वही जो दिल से हो, दुआ वही जो दिल से निकल आए, बात वही जो दिल से कही जाए, दोस्त वही पक्का जो दिल से साथ निभाए, रिश्ता वही बेजोड़ जो दिल से जोड़ा जाए। दिल से ही तो होते हैं इरादे चट्टान से, दिल से ही तो बनते हैं घर खाली मकान से। दिल से बनी हर चीज पुश्तों तक चलती है, इसलिए खाइबर सीमेंट का जर्रा जर्रा दिल से बना है, ताकि आप जो कुछ भी बनाएं दिल से बनाएं। खाइबर सीमेंट, दिल से बनाओ।
So you started in 2019.
Actually, we did not launch the product in 2019. We that is when the idea came.
Yeah, exactly.
That is when the curiosity started popping
brewing up. Yeah,
yes.
That's true.
So, but we launched the product in 2022. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Before that, it was all research, product development, R&D and everything else. Like I said, testing was happening and everything else.
So 5 years now.
Yes.
How do you see yourself right now?
Mashallah, good.
Okay.
Yes.
So is there something like, are you planning of introducing some another product in the market right
yes, definitely. I'm very interested in launching something in perfumery. Because
Perfumery.
yes,
Okay.
because I feel like we have again an untapped potential here. We don't have a brand from Kashmir making really good perfumes.
Kashmir
We
ka
do
khud ka.
others. I have seen people do others, but perfume is something not heard of. So I'm interested in doing that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's lovely. So I would want to ask, like, apart from this, because 5 years now, right? So जब आपने शुरू किया, main thing pops up is extraction of oils, right? And उसके लिए, like, you must have visited these farms, met farmers. Like, where did you gather this stuff from?
I think connections, like my father is in the field, had been in the field, not exactly in this field, but he had some networks there. So he helped me. Then क्या होता है ना, business has an multiplying effect.
Yeah.
मैं एक से मिली, then he gives
आगे
me.
बात बढ़ी.
हाँ, yes. So ऐसे होता है, it grows exponentially.
Okay.
So that is what happened, I would say. But initially, the starting point, the helping hand, the initial helping hand was my father.
So ये सब शुरू करना, मतलब, like, your father helped it, like, to fund it?
Yes, we did a bootstrap, but it was not just my father, it was my mother also,
Okay,
other
that's
people
lovely,
also.
that's lovely.
So it was a bootstrap strategy that we adopted. Yes.
Okay. And now you are on your own.
Yes, definitely. So bootstrap लिया, उनसे पैसे लिए, profit किया, return it.
Okay, that's great. So right now, like, this Ruposh thing, you are doing it online. You don't have an offline shop, right?
We don't have a store for Ruposh specifically, but we have tied up with other stores throughout
In Kashmir.
Yes, in Kashmir and some places outside also.
Okay, that's
Yes,
lovely.
Delhi, Mumbai, some outlets there also keep our products on their shelves. So it is more like we do a retailership kind of a model here.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's not just in Kashmir, you are going beyond that
Yes,
as well.
yes, definitely.
Okay. ज़्यादा customers कहाँ से आते हैं? यहाँ बाहर?
Bahar.
बाहर के?
Bahar.
That's lovely.
Yes.
Internationally as well.
Internationally it has gone, but it is not very regular right now because I'm not putting so much effort there. But we do get clients from international, because usually ऐसा भी होता है कि यहाँ से कोई लेके गया product तो वो बाहर रह रहा है, तो then they order from there also.
That is lovely.
Yes.
That's so great. So मुझे बता दीजिए, initially you started it on your own, like you made the stuff on your own.
Yes.
Like, do you have people employed under you right now?
Yes, definitely.
How many?
See, actually, there is two things in that. One is direct employment, one is indirect. Like, because what we do is हम बहुत सारी चीजें outsource कर देते हैं. So outsource करें तो then obviously it goes to somebody else.
जी,
Then they are
बिल्कुल.
paying them. But directly जो हम खुद से monitor अभी कर रहे हैं, that is sales and farmers जो हमारे हैं, हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए. So that comes around, we give employment to like 5-6 people.
That's lovely. So do you like, are you planning to have your own, like, farms or stuff, like, जहाँ से आप ये सब extract कर सकते हो?
Yes, we already have our own farms at 2 of the locations, but they are more of like a pilot project kind of a thing.
Okay.
But we basically क्या है, वहाँ पे हम quality control कर रहे हैं, but we also source from other farmers, from Bhadarwa,
That's great.
from various parts of Kashmir.
Kashmir only.
Yes.
That's lovely. तो अपना है,
हाँ.
कश्मीर का है.
Yes, exactly.
ठीक, वो बात है. तो you got married last
Yes.
year, right?
Yes.
Now, how are you balancing things? Tell me that. That's the most difficult part, I must say.
I would say कि आपने एक वो सुना ही होगा, like behind every successful man there is a woman.
Yeah.
I would say
That's an opposite for you. I get it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Before marriage, my father was my supporting hand, but now, alhamdulillah, my husband, despite being a lawyer, their schedule is very busy, but he as well always finds time to support me, to encourage me. Even when I feel like nahi, things are getting out of control, he's like, no, everything is in control, and he makes sure to help me in some way or another.
That's so lovely.
Yes.
That's so lovely. So मुझे बता दीजिए, like अभी तो you are thinking of इसको आगे बढ़ाना है, right? Where do you see Ruposh in coming years?
See, right now, if I speak of Ruposh, it is more of a face care product. I want to diversify it in hair care, body care, then fragrance, as I spoke of. So there are a lot of things to do. I want to explore those fields. And also we want to take it abhi nationally, so a lot of people are using the product, but I want to definitely make it more visible internationally. So down the line, inshallah, I expect we go global.
That's lovely.
Yes.
That's lovely.
Yes.
So like you launched the product after COVID,
Yes.
right? Response कैसा था लोगों का?
Quite good. Yes, people were willing to try the product. That is वो कुछ एक बड़ी चीज़ होती है कि like a lot of times we see people don't show the interest in the product, but people, when we speak of Kashmir, when we say that ये कश्मीर का है, Kashmir has its own value.
Yeah, that is true.
It has its own weight. So people stop, they listen, they want to try. So that is something that was very important for me at that stage, because अगर उस time पे मेरे को discouragement मिली होती, maybe I would not have excelled.
That is true. So ये थी आपकी जर्नी, राइट? अब इस जर्नी में थोड़ा उतार चढ़ाव तो आए होंगे, राइट?
Definitely.
So how did you manage that?
When you start a business, if you start it with the right intention, and if you start it with a purpose, then you manage the ups and downs very easily. If you started just for money or just for some other reason, then you might face problems handling the ups and downs.
So your motive was different.
Yes, I always wanted to create. Profit was important, but that was secondary.
Okay.
My first objective was to create something impactful. किसी की life में कुछ impact create करना, and making Kashmir a story.
That's lovely.
So I feel purpose is very important when you start a business.
So you have this online presence, right? How has it helped you business के हिसाब से?
Online presence is so essential. We cannot do without it. If we talk about marketing, most of the marketing happens online right now.
जी बिल्कुल.
There is hardly anything that I would have done offline promotion. उस sense में. तो every move that we do on social media, that is a marketing move.
That is
A business is nothing without marketing.
That is
A product is nothing without marketing. It has to be product, has to be good, but then if you do not reach out to the people, it has no importance. So that is why social media, internet is very crucial in
So it
today's-
gave you a boost.
Yes.
And
Yes.
do you think like जो आपके customers है, like you said, nationally as well as internationally, you have people, asking for these products. So do you think जो social media है, it has played a major role in that stuff?
Yes, as I said earlier, वो जो amplifying effect होता है इसमें, वो social media से ज़्यादा हो जाता है. अगर हम word of mouth की बात करें तो maybe 10 people, you talk to 10 people, but social media की वजह से you share it,
You
it
have a reach.
goes to a
Next level.
Yes, so much bigger impact. So वो चीज़ है.
Okay, so before we conclude this lovely Ruposh talk, let's have a rapid fire round. One ingredient you can't live without.
I think I would not say there is one ingredient which I cannot live without, but there is one particular USP for our brand, that is lavender. So
Lavender.
lavender is the hero of our story.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. You have to choose lavender or rose.
Lavender.
Lavender. So that's your personal favorite.
Yes.
Okay. One skincare myth you wish people would stop believing.
applying natural remedies at home. Like a lot of people say नींबू लगा लो तो अच्छा हो जाएगा, but that lemon is very acidic. वो हमारी skin की pH के साथ match नहीं करता.
One word that defines your entrepreneur journey.
Dreams and ambitions.
Dreams and ambitions. That's great. Okay, one last question. When customers buy Ruposh, what piece of Kashmir are they taking home with them?
They're taking the essence of Kashmir
The
with
sense
them.
of Kashmir.
Yes.
Before we end this, like, is there something you want to like convey to the women that are watching you, who maybe somewhere down the line want to be in business?
I would say sitting here, talking to you, this whole program, one thing that triggered the curiosity in me was the title that you have chosen. She means business.
Yeah.
That was something very interesting and very, I would say, innovative. Women are in some ways better at business. A lot of people don't think like that.
No.
Because women have something different in them. They are more empathic. They are more emotionally intelligent.
That is true.
That is proven. So they are able to bring such values in business which were not traditionally thought of. If we talk about brand building, if we talk about story telling, if we talk about customer relationships,
That is true.
if we talk about problem solving, I encourage all the females to explore this side of their personality. Women can be better at business.
That is lovely. Thank you so much, Madiha.
Thank
you
you.
came, you gave us your time, and it was lovely talking about your Ruposh. So guys, this was our Ruposh talk. What a soulful talk it was. इन्होंने एक बात बोली, वो ये थी कि इन्होंने जब शुरू किया, इनका मकसद सिर्फ पैसे कमाना नहीं था. She had a purpose, and that was to create an impact for anyone. So it just clicked that whenever you do anything, just don't think about the money first. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप जो भी करें उसमें सिर्फ पैसे कमाने हों. ये भी देखा करें कि जो आप कर रहे हैं, क्या उससे आप कोई माने क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, क्या आप उससे किसी की ज़िंदगी बेहतर बना सकते हैं. फिलहाल के लिए आज इतना ही. We're looking out for more women in business out there. Stay tuned and stay updated and keep watching Kashmir Life.